Hello children. So today we are going to discuss about the exercise 3b, that is a continuation of your last video. Up to question number 3 we have discussed. Now we are going to discuss about the exercise 3b of question number 4, that is MCQ on the chapter of your decimals. Okay, so in this question, see the question number 1, it is given that if 213 is multiplied with 16, you will get here 3408. That is 213, if you multiply it with 16, you will get 3408. That is given. Okay, now this is given, and after that a question is given that, see the question first. After that it is given, this one will be how much. First of all, your question is given 213 into 16. If you do the multiplication, you will get 3408. Okay, this you will get, and the question is asked that 1.6 into 2.13 will be how much. That is your question. See here, 16, forget the decimal point. Here the digits are 16, here also 16, 213, here also 213, but the difference is that here decimal numbers are given. So while doing the multiplications, all the numbers will be same after doing, because same number only you are multiplying, so it will be 3408. Since these two numbers are decimal number, so what will be the answer? Here 1 decimal places, here 2 decimal places, so 1 plus 2, that is 3, so answer will be 3 decimal places. That means 3.408 will be your answer. So check the option, which option it is getting? 3.408. That means C option is correct. Okay, similarly go to the question number 2. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. How many centimeter are there in 100 inches? If 1 inch is this much, 1 inch is your 2.54 centimeter. So how many centimeters are there in 100 inch? 100 inch will be how much? You do by yourself and then match the option. This one is very easy, only unitary method. Okay, now see the 5 number horse. See these questions first. It is given that this one multiplication. Okay, so here how many 3's are there? All the numbers are 3 only. Forget about the decimals and forget about the zeros. After the number, whatever zeros is given, forget about that. Just you check the numbers. 3 3 3 3 3. So how many 3's are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 3 power 5. 3 power 5 is how much? 243. Okay, 3 power 5 is 243. Now check how many decimal numbers here. 1, here 2, here 3. 3 plus 3, 6. That means answer will be in 6 decimal place. That means answer will be in 0.000243. But it's not complete. But see here it is given 3000. 3000 is, that means multiplication of 10 or power of 10, then your decimal will shift to which side? Decimal will shift to the right side. So here how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. That means from this position it will shift to the right side by 3 positions. That means the answer will be 0.243. Understood? So answer will be D. Similarly, question number 2 also you have to do by yourself. Just do the multiplication first. These two multiplication you do, then these two multiplication you do. After that, do the subtraction, match the options, you will get the answer. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the division, how to do. So far we have discussed about your multiplication, so now we are going to discuss about the division. So how to do the division? So in this division, dividing a whole number or a decimal number by 10 or any power of 10. Suppose you are going to divide a whole number by 10 or power of 10. Suppose 64 you are going to divide by 10. So when you are going to divide, so how many zeros are there? 1 zeros, so that means your decimal will shift to the left side by how many 0? 1 0, so 1 places, so that means it will be 6.4. While doing multiplication, it is given like this. If you do the multiplication by 10, how many zeros? 1 zeros, then decimal will shift to the right side by, that means answer will be 640.0 here. Understood? When you are going to multiply a number by 10 or power of 10, so how many zeros are there? That number of places it will shift to the right side. What it will shift? Decimal point will shift to the right side. So if you are going to divide, then it will shift to the left side. Previously your decimal is here 64 means 64 means where is your decimal point? Here 64.00. so if you are going to multiply, then it will shift to the which side? It will shift to the right side by number of zeros. Or if you are going to divide, then it will shift to the left side by the number of zeros that must place. Okay, so one more example. Suppose you are going to 325, you are going to divide suppose 325, you are going to divide it by 1000. Okay, so now tell me how many zeros are here? 3 zeros, so that means there's decimal point. So first of all you tell me where is your decimal point here? 325 means 325.0, here is your decimal point. So from this position it will shift to the left side by how many decimal places? 3 places. That means from here it will shift to 3 places, so it will be here your decimal point will be. Previously it was there, so from there it will be removed and it will be here. That means your final answer will be 0.325. so in exam no need to write this one, simply in your mind you will calculate this, that previously your decimal point is here, from this position it will shift to that side, so directly you can write the answer 0.325.